Sometimes you know you need to do something, but you just can't seem to bring yourself to do it. For me, that's cleaning my desk. Maybe the pile-up started when I got some new packages, maybe it started when I got sick, or when I went traveling. Well, in this case, it's all three. I got some packages because I was about to travel, definitely not because I'm an Amazon Prime addict, and then I packed in a hurry, leaving my room in a mess anyway, and then I got sick, and then I traveled again, but that's all done now. It's finally time to clean up. I mean, at this point, you can tell, it's not just my desk, it's my entire room. Let's get started. First, I decided what actually needs to stay on the desk, which is basically just the keyboard, mouse, this Rubik's Cube, and my laptop. The rest can get cleared off. Maybe light a candle while I'm at it too. Then start putting things away where they're actually supposed to go. I'm not going to bore you with this. Here's a time lapse of me putting everything away. Next, recycle all the boxes of packages I've been holding onto. Vacuum the floor. Get rid of the random bags of clothes on the floor from your travels. Clear the back of the door. Like literally, who needs this many clothes on access at all times? I don't, but they're still there. Much better, isn't it? Or at least I hope it is. I haven't filmed the rest of this video yet. Anyway, clean your room.